How to use the OneDrive Desktop app to manage your files and free up storage. Transferring files from OneDrive doesn't have to be slow or frustrating. With the OneDrive Desktop app, you can manage your files quickly and easily. First, check if you already have the OneDrive app installed by looking at the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. If you see a blue or white cloud icon, you're all set. If not, don't worry, just download it from the Microsoft OneDrive website. Once it's installed, log in with your UNIMAS email address and password. After you log in, the app will create a folder called OneDrive UNIMAS on your computer. This folder is synced with your OneDrive Online, making it much easier to work with your files. You can find it by opening File Explorer and looking for OneDrive UNIMAS in the left-hand menu. To free up some storage space, you can move your files to another location, like an external hard drive or a different folder on your computer. The easiest way to do this is by simply dragging and dropping the files you want to move. You can also use keyboard shortcuts. Just select your files, press Ctrl+X to cut, go to the destination folder, and press Ctrl+V to paste.
It's quick and easy.
Once your files are safely moved, it's time to clean up your OneDrive storage. Head back to the OneDrive UNIMAS folder, find any files or folders you no longer need, right-click on them, and select Delete. This will remove the files both from your OneDrive Online and from your synced folder on your computer. To make sure everything is cleared out, log into your OneDrive account through a web browser. Click on Recycle Bin in the left-hand menu, and then click Empty Recycle Bin to delete those files permanently. Also, there's a second stage Recycle Bin that holds files waiting for final deletion. Be sure to open that, too, and click Empty Recycle Bin. With these simple steps, managing your OneDrive storage becomes a smooth and easy process. You'll save time and keep things organized. If you need any help, the UNIMAS IT support team is always here to assist you. Keep up the great work managing your storage.
Please contact us at Communication Division, or known as BCOM,
at 082-583863 for any inquiries regarding OneDrive.